my channel. Until last video, I have discussed how to create a class, how to create an object, and what are instance variables and class variables. Today, moving a bit forward, let us discuss about the concepts of object-oriented programming. The first concept in the object-oriented programming is inheritance. First of all, getting into the definition. The process of inheriting properties from one class to another class is called inheritance. Here, the class from which the properties are inherited is called the parent class or the base class. The class to which the properties are inherited is called the subclass. That is, in the process of inheritance, the properties of all the base class are inherited to the child class or subclass. So now let's go and create a parent class and also a subclass to the parent class. Creating a parent class is no more big deal. It is just creating a normal class. Okay, any class can be a parent class. So no more any additional keywords or additional methods you have. You have just normal methods like you have in the normal classes. Okay, so I am creating a class theme, let's say animal. Now I want a method, init method here, and I am defining two variables, breed and color. Self.breed is equals to breed and self.color is equals to color. Now I am creating another method here, def sample method. Print self.color. Okay, this is our parent class. Now creating a child class. The syntax for creating a child class is you just use the normal class keyword and the class name for the child class, and within the parentheses you use the parent class name, that is the class name from which you want to inherit the properties. Here I want to inherit the properties of class animal, so I am using the class animal name here and let's say pass. Okay, now let us create an object dog1 of class dog. Here I want two parameters, let's say breed to be pearl and color black. Okay, here observe that we haven't defined any breed or color for dog class. We have just defined it for animal class, but we are using the dog class for creating the object and we are giving two parameters here. Okay, so now let us print dog1 dot color, and you can also call your methods within your base class. Let's say dog1 dot sample method. Okay, now I'll run my program. Yeah, we got dog1.color, and in dog1.sample method we have given to print self.color, that is it has printed the color again. Okay, so in this way you can call your base class methods and also you get your base class parameters. Okay, so this is a basic way to create an inherited class. The syntax is just nothing but use the base class name within the parentheses of the subclass. Okay, so this is the basic concept. In the next video, let us see how to create the body of the subclass and how the body of the subclass overrides the body of the parent class. And also let us see about the super keyword. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, for more Python videos to learn Python from the beginner level, subscribe my channel. I also have many Python videos about the basic programs of basic concepts such as strings, lists, tuples and all the data types, and also decision making statements, looping statements, etc. You can learn the concepts in a better way by simple programs. Okay, so thank you. If you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. Bye bye.